Hi folks, and welcome to In the Kitchen with Pete. I'm with a couple buddies of mine, Pepper Pete and Gus, here in Florida, beautiful Boca Grande. I love this beach for cooking. And today we're gonna put together a seafood boil. It's gonna be delicious. I got a 16-quart big stock pot of water. We're just starting to get it to a boil. We'll come back and we'll put together all the ingredients to make this beautiful seafood boil. And we have a new guest with us here. We have Rocky with us, another retired firefighter. He's going to help us put together our seafood boil. Rocky's going to put in 2 boxes of Zatarains Crab Boil. And then to that, we're going to add 1 cup of salt. And then Pepper Pete, he's going to add a 1/2 cup of paprika and 1 cup of brown sugar. You can use white sugar as well. And we're going to add 6 ounces of your favorite hot sauce. Today we're using Crystal. That's one of our favorites. And while he's getting that into our boil, Gus is going to add 1 onion, just roughly chopped, and 1 head of garlic, finely diced. And then we'll add 1 stick of butter and 2 lemons. We're going to give them a little squeeze. They're cut in half. And then we'll bring this mixture to a boil, and then we'll get our potatoes in. We'll come back when this all comes to a nice boil. So our mixture has come to a boil. Rocky's going to put in 2 pounds of baby yellow potatoes. We'll give that a stir, get that lid back on, bring it back to a boil, and then we'll get to all the rest of our ingredients. So our potatoes have been in for 20 minutes. Rocky's going to put in, about a pound or so of Andouille sausage, all diced up. Pepper Pete's got about 3 or 4 cobs of corn, diced into bite size. And then we got 2 pounds of shrimp. They're about a 16 to 20 shrimp. Fire those right in the pot. And next come the snow crabs. We've got about 2 pounds of snow crab here. We're going to fire everything into the pot. We'll get that lid on, bring it back to a boil, and let all those flavors marry together. It's going to be delicious. Our pot has returned to a boil, and our last item is 2 pounds of mussels. We'll cook those for 2 minutes, shut the heat off, cover it, and we'll let it sit for 20 minutes, and it'll be time to belly up to the picnic table. Well, that was another simple and delicious recipe. What a great one to keep in mind whether you're with a bunch of folks in the backyard, at the kitchen table, or at the beach. We can't forget to say hello to our friends back at the Burlington Fire Department. Gus?
Hello to all the men and women at the BFD. Hope you're working hard, but hope you're working safe. We're here at Boca Grande Beach, and we wish we were there with you.
Well, we love you and we miss you all. Thanks for coming out and watching In the Kitchen with Pete. Until next time, see ya!
Baby, please don't pretend you do.